update video for you who are following the awesome house renos and stuff series. That's going to be basically all the most recent videos on Woodness Goodness, because everything I currently am doing, all the builds, furniture, reno stuff, is all going to be on this property. So just so you're clear. So a little update in the bathroom, looking good. Got the shiplap all up. You'll see there's a big gap here because there's a big mirror, a custom mirror that I made that's going to go and fill that gap up. No countertop yet. That is concrete that I have just poured. A video of all this is going to be coming out. Installed the toilet. That was pretty easy. We kept the bathtub, new faucet. That light up there, that sweet looking light, is installed by yours truly. I wired it up to the fan, so when the fan turns on, the light turns on, which is sweet. So the bathroom is shaping up. We've got a nice paint color. Look at this sweet floor. Disregard the mess and the half lived in quarters, but we got this sweet floor. It's called Corvallis Pine. There's the installer himself. And here's the garage. So it's a disaster in here, but we are currently set up to spray our cabinet doors and drawer faces. So you'll see I got a video coming out showing you how I prepped all this, but a lot of sanding in these little grooves that gives it the nice kind of, you know, the character on these oak cabinet faces and doors. I used a hand sanding block, and that helps you get right into the nooks and crannies. And then the rest you just do with, we just did it with an orbital sander. Now I got this new, pretty pumped about this little sprayer. It's a Greco Magnum. And so we're going to be spraying these one at a time on our little station here. We're going to spray the backs first because they matter the least. So we're going to spray them, make those look good, then we're going to let them dry. And then when we flip them over, in case they get scratched or scuffed or anything, it's the back, so we don't care as much about them. And then we're going to do all the fronts. We're going to prime them, and then we're going to spray them, and it's all going to be latex enamel, just so it goes through the sprayer nicer. Another little update here. Here is the concrete countertop for the bathroom. It's still just sitting there. I poured it yesterday. It's got a nice big opening for a sink. Got a farmhouse sink. Just continue that kind of like modern farmhouse vibe throughout the home. And yeah, I think that's a pretty good update. But let's take a look. Ooh. All the drawers, had to take those off to make your life way easier. You just take off the faces, the hardware, and that way when you're sanding it and painting it, it is just so much easier. So all our cabinets that are mounted to the wall are all primed, ready to get painted. We're not going to spray in here because that's just going to be a disaster. But yeah, here's another little update video coming out about this too. Is we cut a hole through this wall. This used to be a huge wall, obviously, and we cut it here, make a little bar, breakfast nook, and you can pass food through the dining room, which is this baby, from the kitchen. So yeah, hopefully that gives you a little update, shows you what's what and what's coming down the pipeline. So be ready, because videos are coming. They ain't stopping. See ya.